Hello, everyone. And this is the continuation of working with the table in a React JS. So, in the last video, we have completed the updating part of each row in the table. Okay, so in this video, we are going to implement the sorting each column. So in that demo app, like we have the sort functionality on each column. So here we are able to sort the column. You can see. So in this video, we are going to build this functionality. Okay. So let's get started. So first we need one state. It will be an object, and in the column we have to provide property called sorter in sorter. Sort order sorter info dot column key dot order. Okay, so this two property will be a common uh, in other two column as well. So I will just copy and I will just change the name here. So email, and this will be email. Comment, and this will be also a comment. It's not happening. Okay, 1 second. Let's okay for now just comment this one. Because we have to write one helper function. Okay, it is working. Okay, okay. This function basically we have to provide the sorted in info basically to once we have the clear button like we here we have clear all, so it will reset the sorting order. Okay, so for that purpose we need this hot order as well. So we have to define one on change method in the table. So handle change. Let's create here handle change. This will be useful when we implement this functionality to reset all the order basically to its original position. So it will have bunch of props, so bunch of argument. That's why I'm spreading. So let's see what we have here. Sort we will console this one. Okay, now sorter will have. Okay, so we know means we have identified which column we have sorted and what is the order. So we have to basically hit this sorted information in the state basically. So whenever a user uh, click, whenever a user clear all, so it will reset the order. And hopefully in the next or I think we will implement this clear all functionality in the next video. Okay, so we need to hit the column key. Since the column key is undefined, so we are so the column field is nothing but is the field uh, email. So we have to set the column key as the email here. So we are going to use this property field property here. So first we will destructure sorted, and we have to destructure from the second, I mean the third element, because this come in the third index. So we have to put the who, okay, because the array index start from 0. So column key, we need order and field. Okay, now set sorted. So we are storing the information. Column key and order. That's it. Um, okay. I think it's not required. Let's see. I hope we haven't break anything here. Okay, it's working. Now let's uncomment this thing. It should work. Now it is working. Earlier it was not working. Okay, so we have completed the objective of this video, and we have implemented the sort functionality on each column. In the next video, we are going to work on the clear all functionality. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.